Hi, it's Monique. Visit my website daytimevegan.com for a ton of vegan breakfast, lunch, and dinner recipes. Hi, it's Monique. I'm here with another recipe for you all. Today we'll be making kale sauteed with lemon, garlic, and wakame. I don't know if I'm saying wakame properly, so please correct me if I am not. Wakame is just dried seaweed, and this recipe was inspired by a pasta dish I used to love before I became vegan. It was just pasta with a simple sauce made with lots of olive oil, lots of garlic, red pepper flakes, and anchovies. You would slowly simmer the olive oil sauce until the garlic infused it and the anchovies would completely disintegrate. You couldn't even see them anymore. And when it would give the sauce a really delicious taste of the ocean, and I loved it. So for this recipe, I thought I would use wakame to give it the ocean flavor instead of the anchovies. Now, of course, you can make this recipe without the wakame, but I do urge you to try to go outside your comfort zone sometimes and try different things. The wakame in this recipe is very subtle. It's just a hint of the sea in this kale recipe, and it tastes great with the lemon and the garlic. So I think you'll love it. I hope you give it a try or save it on Pinterest to try it later. And leave me any questions or comments you have about the recipe down below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give the recipe a try. The best way I can describe the flavor of this recipe is to say if you made shrimp scampi, but instead of pasta we use kale, and instead of the shrimp we use the wakame to give it that nice seafoody, oceany flavor. That ocean flavor tastes amazing with the garlic and the lemon. It's really, really delicious, and I think this would be a perfect side dish for the stuffed eggplant that I made in the previous video. So please give it a try, save it on Pinterest, like the video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!